So here we are. I built a new grill shell or cooler shell, how to call it. I copied the old Ford, maybe 1930-31, I don't know. I just found a picture on the internet, so I copied it, tried to make it, you know. I never liked the old one I made, and I even had on YouTube comments saying why I don't use an old Ford Model T or something, or Model A, or even in events here when I was to gatherings, car gatherings here, some people that know a little bit about what I'm doing, they told me I would have made better the grill shell, so I take the time this weekend. I finished one. I'm pretty satisfied with it. Still have to make the grill in the middle, to fill it, but till now I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah. So see you next time.